What's up, guys? In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best CPU coolers in 2022. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So, whether you're looking for an affordable model that can keep less powerful systems cool or a premium liquid cooling solution that's perfect for demanding workloads, we'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products we mention, and I'll try to keep it updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive cooling option that can get the job done and help your system remain cool, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo V2 is my choice as the best budget CPU cooler in 2022. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 V2 is a popular, affordable CPU cooler that's easy to install on most systems and offers impressive cooling capabilities for the price, which makes it an ideal option for budget shoppers, first-time PC builders, or casual gamers. It has a relatively compact design that features a 4-pin connector, so it's compatible with most Intel or AMD-based platforms. In the box, you get a fixed backplate that attaches to the back of the motherboard for additional stability and support, a small tube of thermal paste, and all the essential components in brackets to simplify the installation process. The build quality is also solid for the price, and it offers a sawtooth milled aluminum base that helps dissipate heat more effectively, rubberized anti-vibration pads, 4 copper heat pipes, and a removable plastic fan to help maintain an optimal internal temperature. Currently priced around $45, the Sickle Flow 120mm fan is rated to deliver up to 1800 RPM and performs well with other budget-friendly or mid-range CPUs, but anyone with a powerful high-core processor would likely be better off with a more advanced model like the Noctua NH-D15S. The copper heat pipes utilize direct contact technology to deliver impressive heat dissipation and consistent coverage of your motherboard. Even more, it remains impressively quiet while in use, so you can stay focused on your gameplay or work. While it doesn't offer the raw cooling power of higher-end models, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 V2 is a capable cooling option for entry-level or mid-range processors that's available at a much lower price. If you're shopping around on a tighter budget, or if you just need a cooler that can nail the basics and keep your system cool without causing too much noise, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants a powerful CPU cooler that can effectively reduce heat retention without generating much extra noise, the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 is my choice as the quietest CPU cooler in 2022. Be Quiet is a top-tier manufacturer of several PC accessories, and their Dark Rock Pro 4 cooler is a powerful dual-fan, dual-tower option that offers excellent build quality, near-silent operation, an easier installation process, and surprising overall cooling performance. It has a slightly updated design from previous models that features a flatter design to provide more RAM clearance and a pass-through hole for the included screwdriver for easier installation, but it's also relatively large and heavy for an Air CPU cooler. It has a sleek, all-black dual-tower design that comes with a contoured brushed aluminum top plate, open-designed aluminum cooling fins to maximize airflow, a funnel-shaped frame for higher air pressure, and 7 6mm diameter copper heat pipes to effectively dissipate heat. It also features a unique ceramic particle coating to transfer heat more efficiently. For a current price of around $90, you get both 135mm and 120mm Silent Wings fans that allow for more effective circulation and only generate 24.3 decibels of noise at the highest setting, which makes it quieter than other high-end options like the Noctua NH-D15S. It delivers impressive cooling capabilities and can handle up to 250 watts TDP, so it's a solid choice for avid gamers, power users, overclockers, or anyone with a higher-end processor. It's also compatible with AMD and Intel platforms to accommodate different users or builds. The Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 doesn't offer the advanced cooling capabilities of higher-end liquid models like the Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360R we'll mention later, but it provides ample cooling capacity for higher-spec builds while remaining quieter than most competing models. This is an ideal choice if you're fine with sacrificing top-tier heat dissipation for a quiet CPU cooler that's still effective under demanding workloads. Some people might be looking for a high-quality Air CPU cooler that offers an excellent balance between cooling performance and quiet operation. The Noctua NH-D15S is my choice as the best overall air cooler in 2022. Noctua's NH-D15S is a slightly updated version of their other highly regarded models that offers 2 premium-grade fans with PWM support for more effective air circulation, broad compatibility, and enough cooling power for almost any demanding task or overclocking. It has a large, heavy design that might be too big for smaller PC builds, but it provides around 64 millimeters of RAM clearance for horizontal or vertical configurations and an updated, slightly asymmetrical design that can fit modern X99 platforms without covering vital ports. Like the previously mentioned Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4, it has a dual tower design that effectively draws heat away from your CPU, but it also offers a copper base, a wider fin stack, 6 copper heat pipes, aluminum cooling fins, and nickel plating for more effective heat dissipation. While the current price of $95 might be too expensive for some users, it offers outstanding all-around cooling performance and can rival some quality liquid cooling options under demanding loads. It comes with 2 NF-A15 140mm fans with PWM support for automatic speed control via the motherboard and speeds up to 1500 RPM to improve airflow, along with low noise adapters that guarantee whisper-quiet operation while in use. I also like that it comes with a generous 6-year manufacturer's warranty, so you can be sure it's a solid long-term investment. Even more, it comes with mounting kits for Intel and AMD-based platforms and Noctua's professional-grade durable NT-H1 thermal paste. The Noctua NH-D15S costs much more than other effective air cooling options like the Cooler Master Hyper 212 V2, but it's an extremely well-made model and offers much better cooling capabilities. If you want a cheaper, effective alternative to high-end liquid cooling solutions, or if you want a powerful air cooler that offers top-tier performance without causing much noise, this might be your best bet. Next up, we have an impressive, versatile CPU cooler that can help keep your system at an optimal temperature without requiring a fan. The Noctua NH-P1 is my choice as the best passive cooler in 2022. Passive CPU coolers are a somewhat niche product, but Noctua's NH-P1 passive cooler is a surprisingly capable option that offers several key benefits such as 100% silent operation under heavier workloads, a sleek design, and impressive cooling power to keep your system running smoothly. It has a relatively unique build that only features 13 aluminum cooling fins, which is much less than the previously mentioned Noctua NH-D15S, but each fin is much larger and spaced widely apart to provide more space for heat convection and reduce airflow resistance. Unlike the other options on this list, it has a passive design that doesn't require a fan to maintain an optimal internal temperature, but it's also larger and pricier than your average air cooler with a current price of around $110. It also has a copper base and 6 long copper heat pipes to effectively draw heat away from your CPU. Because of its fanless design, it offers 100% silent operation under heavier workloads or while gaming, so it's quieter than most air-based options like the Cooler Master Hyper 212 V2 we mentioned earlier. It can also work well and help prevent thermal overthrottling with a range of modern platforms, including most AMD Ryzen 5 models and every 10th or 11th gen Intel Core i5 CPU. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer the best performance for overclocking, but you can pair it with compatible fans to boost the cooling capabilities as needed. The large form factor might disqualify it from being used in some PC builds, but the Noctua NH-P1 is a great quiet option that can capably dissipate heat away from your CPU and motherboard. This is a great option if you want a quiet cooling solution with an intelligent design and enough power to keep most PCs at an optimal temperature while playing, browsing, or creating. If you're looking for a premium liquid cooling solution that offers top-tier cooling capabilities and a vibrant, gamer-friendly design, the Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360R is my choice as the best liquid CPU cooler in 2022. The Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360R is more expensive than the other options on this list, but it utilizes high-quality components and sophisticated liquid cooling technology with outstanding performance to justify the price. It's larger than the other options on this list and measures around 1.1 by 4.8 by 15.5 inches, but it's relatively lightweight for the size and features premium build quality. Unfortunately, it requires a lot of cables to properly connect each component to your system, but you get all the necessary cables included in the box, and the actual cooler offers a magnetic backplate that's easy to install. Unlike the previously mentioned options on this list, it has bright, vibrant RGB lighting along the water pump and fans, and it comes with an intuitive controller to quickly cycle through colors or effects. For a current price of around $135, you get a powerful 360mm cooling solution that's compatible with most modern AMD and Intel sockets, though it lacks Threadripper support. It comes with a copper base plate to integrate with your CPU's heat spreader, an aluminum radiator to improve airflow, a water block and pump with a low-profile dual-chamber design, a high-performance impeller, and 3 PWM fans with a variable speed between 650 to 2000 RPM, which is more powerful than other solid options like the Noctua NH-D15S. Overall, it offers outstanding cooling performance and remains effective with heavier workloads, intense games, or while overclocking. The Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360R is the best liquid CPU cooler because of its high-end fan speed to improve airflow, vibrant RGB lighting, and superior performance to most other liquid coolers on the market. If you can afford to splurge, or if you're an avid gamer who needs to overclock, or a content creator that consistently uses demanding creative software, this might be an effective way to keep your system running smoothly. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.